happy Sunday. Sorry, I'm a bit soft today because baby is sleeping, right? Okay, so I just want to show you quickly, and this is the process of me packing the herbs for for a client and also a friend who actually asked me, what is a great soup? What is the most nutritious soup for Solstice festival or winter solstice, or in Mandarin is 冬至, right? What is winter solstice? It falls on generally December 21st to 23rd, and this year is on coming Monday, which is December 21st, 2020. Now, what it is actually the Chinese, right? It's celebrated by Chinese and East Asian, so countries like Japan, Korea, Vietnam, right? And of course China and Singapore, Malaysia definitely is a big thing. And people eat tang yuan, right? The round thing, it's a dessert kind of thing. So this, well, scientifically is when the sun reaches the most northern part of the earth, right? And after today there will be longer daylight. What happens is that there will be more positive energy, because with more daylight there will be much more positive energy flowing in, right? And so for the Chinese, we really believe that this day is even more important than Chinese New Year, because it really marks the beginning of the year. That's what we believe. And so when she asked me what great soup, and because mainly she was want to give as gifts to her parents and parents-in-law, so I thought, right, a soup that is great for two main functions, which is digestion and also renewal, rejuvenation. So I call this, right, the Rejuvener soup. So what it has performed two main functions. One is great for digestion, and second, after the digestion, I felt because with proper digestion, then you can absorb and the nutrients, right, and the bad food, bad toxins can be flushed out of the system, making room for the good ones, right? And your body digestive system can transform the food you eat into proper nutrients, right? And so it can then flow into proper. So for example, the spleen and stomach is a key organs of the digestive system, and that two organs are primarily responsible for transforming the food that is digested into nutrients, and then the spleen is responsible for moving the nutrients upwards to the lungs and the heart to transform, right? And then those two organs will take over and transform into qi and blood, which again is, of course, as we know, is vital to move around all the oxygen and all the nutrients across to the whole body, right? And excess water and waste will then move down to the kidney to perform the function of excretion or dispelling out of the body, right, to maintain that balance. Now, so just very quickly, what are the ingredients we are talking about here? We have, let's talk about the ones that is great for digestion first, right? So here we have poria. Yeah, this is great for calming, but it's also great for removing the excess water, like water swelling. This is great for that. It's also very great for spleen. Now, uralic seed is another great one for spleen and stomach, and also great for qi and energy. Yeah, so again, these four are the herbs great for digestion. Yeah, this Chinese wild yam is amazing because they have basically great for four key organs. What are they? Lungs, kidney, spleen, and stomach. Right, super key. And here, red lotus is one of my favorites because it's great for the kidney and also spleen, and it's also great for calming. Yeah. Now over here we have this tree that is great for rejuvenation. This is Tangsen or Codonopsis. Is nickname is poor man's ginseng. It's great for the qi. Red dates is great for replenishing the blood and the qi energy, vital energy, right? And also great for calming as well. Now, goji berry is no stranger to many people. It's a superfood in both Chinese and Western perspective. Now, also this is great for liver, yeah, and also eyesight. Liver is very much linked to the eyesight, right? And it's also great for the muscles and bones growth, and also great for the overall energy, and also antioxidants. So these are the 7 kind of ingredients that I recommended to her. And for basically, I thought this is it's great for health, and also is very much aligned to the festival, where it is both how do I say, getting rid of anything that is bad, or anything that's not working well in the past year, and then making room for new ones, new habits, right? Halobilin, great new habits, great nutrients, and in the coming year ahead. So that's why this soup is great for both, key for both digestion and also rejuvenation, vital energy, right? And also great also for calming, because you do need how do I say, a state of mind that is correct, that is calm, that is not flustered, that's not stressed, to actually make plans, to think what is the best steps forward, right? Okay, that's all I have for today, and have a great weekend, and of course have a great solstice celebration with your family and loved ones, right? So okay, so thank you so much for watching, and do share this. Thank you.